Hi, in today's lesson we're looking at the three continuous tenses: the present continuous, the past continuous, and the present perfect continuous. We will look at each tense and learn the rules that help you decide which tense to use, and then there are some exercises at the end of the lesson in which you choose the tense and which rule it is using. So let's start with the present continuous. The present continuous is used to talk about something that is happening or in progress now. For example, some people are sitting on the grass and having a picnic. It is happening now, so we use the present continuous. It is also used for changes and developments. For example, the number of internet users who shop online is increasing. This is describing a change or development, so we use the present continuous. It is also used for temporary situations. For example, my friend is staying in a holiday camp. She is not staying there forever. It's a temporary situation. Now let's move on to the past continuous. The past continuous is used to talk about continuing actions happening at the same time as another event. For example, I was swimming in the sea when the rain started. So the continuing past action is that I was swimming at the same time as when it started to rain. It is also used to describe situations in the past. For example, some people were relaxing by the pool and others were playing tennis. Here we are describing a past situation. It is also used to describe temporary situations in the past. For example, for the first 2 days of my holiday, I was staying with friends. Again, this is a temporary situation in the past. Finally, the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is used to talk about actions which started in the past and continue now. For example, my best friend has been learning Spanish since January. She started in the past and is still learning Spanish now. It's also used when you mention the results of a recent activity. I'm so tired. I've been waiting for the bus for hours. The result is that you are so tired because you have been waiting for the bus for hours. So you use the present perfect continuous. Also, when we want to emphasize the repetition or duration of an action, for example, they've been thinking about where to go this summer. Here we want to emphasize the duration of this activity. We have been thinking about this for ages, so we use the present perfect continuous. So now it's your turn. Decide on the correct tense: the present continuous, past continuous, or present perfect continuous. And finish the sentences using the verbs in brackets. Decide which rule matches the meaning of each sentence. 1. What blank? Use the verb do. You look exhausted. What have you been doing? The tense is the present perfect continuous, and it's using rule 2 when you mention the results of a recent activity. The result is that you look exhausted. 2. Can you help me with my homework? No, I blank TV. Use the verb watch. I am watching TV. This is the present continuous and is using rule 1, something that is happening or in progress now. I am watching TV now. 3. The number of people taking up extreme sport. Use the verb increase since the early 1990s. The number of people taking up extreme sports has been increasing. This is the present perfect continuous and is using rule 1, actions which started in the past and continue now. 4. Last month I blank. Use the verb have, acting lessons, but I had to stop when I lost my voice. Last month I was having acting lessons. This is the past continuous and is using rule number 3, temporary situations in the past. 5. They blank use the verb walk in the countryside when suddenly it started to rain. They were walking in the countryside. This is the past continuous and is using rule number 1. Continuing past actions happening at the same time as another event. Finally, 6. I don't like the book that I blank. Use the verb read at the moment. Write your answer down below and which rule it uses, and I promise to let you know if you are right. So that's it for now. I hope you feel more confident in using the continuous tenses, when to use them and why. Please like and subscribe if you found this lesson useful, and share with your friends and family learning English. See you very soon. Bye bye.